just a good old boy.
Alright, everybody's asked a lot of questions on how to load net. This new Massey Ferguson 4160V or RB 4160V. It's also the same next system in the 4180, I think is what the number is, a 4x6 version. Not a lot of videos on how to do this out there either. Even if you know where to look, that shows the actual net roll being put in. So, I'm going to show y'all how today. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and clean this one off, get all the plastic off of it. Let's see, this has got to be pulled up. Okay. Alright, so the first thing you need to do, get y'all here. Put your net brake piece on to keep that from falling. Now, we gotta push this bar back. This is your net density bar. Slide it through there. There's a crank right here. You spin it in reverse. It takes the roll off. Throw it out. Grab your tail. Roll the net roll over. Let's see. Wait a minute. I had to back this thing out some more. Roll that over. Make sure it slides on the end of these cones. I gotta tighten it back down. Put a little bit. There you go. That has that. It now mounted on the reel, I call it. Now, let's see, it needs to go behind this one, this bar here, in front of your net density bar. Pull it out, drape it over. Turn your rubber roller. Uh-oh. Turn your rubber roller right here. Feed it down in there like that. Now push your net density bar back out. You release it like that. Ready to go. That is the net load. So again, you come from the bottom up. You go over this bar, around the net density bar, over in there and down. Pull your knife lock off. Fold the top down. We're ready to bale hay. Now I gotta pick up this mess.